figures. Significant figures means valuable figures. In this topic we have 7 rules. Let us see one by one. First rule, all non-zero digits are significant. For example, 1, 7, 8, 9, 5. Here 5 digits we have. Here we have 5 figures. So this number has 5 significant figures. 5 significant figures. Rule number 2, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 3007. Here we have 2 zeros in between 2 non-zero. So all 0 in between 2 non-zeros are significant. So this number has 4 significant figures. 4 significant figures. One more example. 310009. This one has 5 significant figures. 5 significant figures. Rule number 3. All zeros to the right of a non-zero but to the left of a decimal point are significant. Here we have 3 zeros that lies right of a non-zero 5 and left of decimal point. So this number has 5 significant figures. 5 significant figures. Fourth rule, the number without a decimal point. This number is without a decimal point. The trailing zero, here we have 3 trailing zeros are not significant. Here these 3 trailing zeros are not significant. So the significant figures of this number is 1, 2. These 3 are not significant. So this number has 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures. One more example. This number is without decimal point and this number has 2 trailing zeros. So this number has 2 significant figures. These 2 zeros are not significant. So this 2 number only has significant figures. So this also has 2 significant figures. Significant figures. Second part of fourth rule is all zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. In this number we have trailing zeros but we have no decimal point, but all these figures are significant because this number comes with a measurement, meter. If a number comes with measurement, meter, centimeter, liter, means all zeros are significant. So this number has 5 significant figures. 5 significant figures. Fifth rule, if the number is less than 1, the zeros on the right of the decimal point but left of first non-zero are not significant. For example, this number is less than 1. Here we have 2 zeros which are lies right of decimal point, right side of decimal point and left side of first non-zero digit 3. So these 2 figures are not significant. So in this number, these 3 are not significant figures. So these 3 are significant figures. So this number has 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. Sixth rule, all zeros to the right of a decimal point and to the right of a non-zero are significant. In this example, 40.00, here this 20 lies right of the decimal point and this 0 lies right of the non-zero number 4. So these 3 zeros are significant. Totally in this number we have 4 significant figures. 4 numbers, 4 are significant figures. So this number has 4 significant figures. Seventh rule, the number of significant figures does not depend on the system of units used. Here, in this example, 1.53 centimeter is equal to 0.0153 meter, which is equal to 0.00000153 kilometer. Here, all these three has 3 significant figures. 3 significant figures. Here, fifth rule is used. The fifth rule says the 0 right to the decimal point and left to the first non-zero are not significant. In this number, these 2 zeros are not significant. In this number also, right side of decimal point and left side of first non-zero all are not significant. Here these 4 zeros are not significant. Here also the significant figures are 3. In all 3 cases, the significant figure is 3. We learn rules for counting significant figures. Here we have some exercise. Just try to find out the answer. First one, 307. How many significant figures are in this number? If you say 3 means this one is correct because here this 0 lies in between 2 non-zero. So according to first rule, this one has 3 significant figures. In the second one, 0.004. How many significant figures are in this number? 1. 1 significant number because here these 2 zeros lies right side of decimal point and left side of non-zero. So these 2 zeros are not significant. We learn rules for counting significant figures. Here we have some exercise. Just try to find out the answer. First one, 307. How many significant figures are in this number? If you say 3 means this one is correct because here this 0 lies in between 2 non-zero. So according to first rule, this one has 3 significant figures. In the second one, 0.004. How many significant figures are in this number? 1. 1 significant number because here these 2 zeros lies right side of decimal point and left side of non-zero. So these 2 zeros are not significant. 300. How many significant figures are in this number? This number has 1 significant figure. Here this number is without decimal point. So these trailing zeros are not significant. That's all students. Study this question well. Thank you.